In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the year end in Xero. Now let's get started by heading over to the Xero website. Just open up your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page where you will need to enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and looking at your Xero dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If you're new to Xero, the dashboard is your central hub, giving you a summary of all your most crucial accounting information at a glance. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and look for the Accounting option. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you will find various accounting-related settings and options. It's a good idea to take a mental note of what each option is for future reference, but today our main focus is on locating the accounting settings. Once you see accounting settings, go ahead and click on it. This is where you can adjust various preferences related to your financial management practices. From this page, you'll want to look for the Financial Settings option. Click on Financial Settings to delve deeper into configuring your financial year-end details. This part of the dashboard is designed to give you control over specific financial parameters that suit your business needs. Pay careful attention, as these settings can significantly influence your financial reporting and compliance. Here, you will find the option labeled Change. Click on Change to access the year and date settings. This is an important step, and adjustments here should be made thoughtfully, considering your business's reporting requirements and timeline. Now, you will be able to change the year-end date. Use the Calendar tool to select the desired date that aligns with your fiscal reporting needs. Ensure that the date you select corresponds with your company's accounting policy and any regulatory requirements that apply to your business. After selecting the correct date, confirm your changes by clicking on Done. This will exit out of the date selection menu without applying your changes just yet, so make sure you've selected the correct date before proceeding. Finally, you'll want to click on Save to make sure all the changes you just configured are safely stored. This ensures that Xero's systems now recognize your selected year-end date for all related financial record keeping and reporting. Saving your settings is a crucial last step that confirms your new year-end date. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your year-end in Xero. Make sure to double-check your settings afterwards to ensure everything is set correctly. By following these steps, you've ensured that your financial year-end is correctly aligned with your business calendar. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.